All right, so we are gonna put a toolbox of sorts on the silo unloader, so we don't have to carry stuff up here all the time. So I got my pail of stuff at the bottom. I'm not sure if I can pull it up here. It's pretty windy, but we'll give it a try. And yeah, I'm gonna set my chipper wheel a little bit closer to the edge because it is leaving a little bit around the edge. I don't know, it's not too bad, I guess. It's pretty bad right here. But that might just be because it's frozen, I'm not sure. But anyways, I'll see you in a second here. Just gotta pull that thing up. Well, there's my pail of stuff. So get the grease gun out. I'm just gonna set it here for now. And yeah, I'll get to work. I'll put this on soon. Alright, so here is my idea. We're gonna put that keep the vibrations down. I thought to put some tape on here. Be nice to have a grease gun up here, 3/4 inch wrench, and 9/16. Now for the easy part. Hockey puck. There, that's not going anywhere. 3/4 inch wrench, 9/16 wrench. I can get the 9/16 wrench easily, and a 3/4 inch wrench. Now, put the vice grips in. Probably if perfect. Alright. Here we go. Perfect. So these are plastic tubes that the plastic for the round bales come on. And we've got lots of them because we used, I don't know how many this year, and we use a lot every year. So every once in a while I find a use for them. Now I just have to grease this. And now I'm gonna lower a door. That's everything.